Hi, students. Actually, in a family, husband and wife are in the house and their children may be there, but at the same time, what the husband feels, he can share with his wife, or what the wife feels, she can share with her husband. But not all the thing, because from wife side, some persons may talk and she can call and they may call and she may attend. That time there is nothing to say, not necessarily minute things, no need to say. Like that, the husband side, if husband is having some other friendly talk with others friends means, or any other, their mother said something, he can talk. That and all, no need to say. But there should be some friendly bondage, a lovable bondage between husband and wife. What I want to say is, actually, a person has come and give the invitation. The invitation is given, and sometimes we may be busy. That time, my husband would have kept it on the rack. At least those things should be discussed. Otherwise, if the husband is keeping quiet or the wife is keeping quiet, one of the person is keeping quiet means other persons are coming and asking, hey, your relative is going to get married. Oh, I see. Suppose husband is not showing that invitation, it has happened. That time wife would have slept, or she would have gone some other places and come back, and he would have forgotten. If third person or somebody is saying, hey, your relative came and given invitation. Oh, I see. Is it so? Like that, inside the house, if we ask means, the outside person may not think that we are ignorant, we don't know anything, like that, they may not think. But at the same time, oh, husband didn't say, even this important things he didn't say to his wife, like that he may say. So, in many houses or in some houses, out of 100%, 2 or 3 persons, maybe 98 97% everybody is good, but 1 or 2 places it may happen. Husband is in the house, wife is in the house. Wife is asking, do you want sandwich? Do you want um, this size, what to say, tiffin items? No. Okay, do you want heavy food items? No. Then light food items? Yes. So yes, no type only is going on in the house, because what is going to talk with the wife or what is going to talk with the husband, that lethargic that may come. And outside, but outside husband is or wife, anybody outside they go means they are talking just like a long story. Even husband or wife, one of them are doing like this means they are sitting inside, and their own friends are meeting, or friend is meeting means, hey, how are you, what is going on, then when did you do, all varieties of whenever they may talk over phone inside the house with the person, it may be husband or it may be wife talking. So normally, suppose husband is doing talking like this and all in the house, inside the house, and he is talking very socially inside the house over phone with somebody. Somebody means his own friends and other thing. It may be in the place the husband is keeping quiet, and wife may be like this inside the house, socially talking, outside socially talking with the person's friends, with her friend, but not with the husband. So husband and wife bondage is very, very important. Actually, inside the house, essay type, inside the house, yes or no type, small one word answer type, like that only. If wife is asking any related to food items preparation or something means, yes, no, that one, this one, like that only. Outside comprehension, a long story, a long legend. They will make a big cinema like that and all. They will start talking. Why? What is that thing? Suppose the bondage, lovable bondage is that means normally husband is very lovable with the wife and wife is very lovable with the husband means definitely. Suppose the husband is loving with the wife means she will think, oh, he's a lovable husband. I will prepare something. He asked me to prepare this only. I will prepare more and more and impress him and make him happy. Like that and all, we will think and we will have that motivation. Yes, no, means this is enough. He is enough with us. Why don't we not enough? Let us be also enough. Why should we strain? That mentality will come. So better to be lovable bondage and have sweet home.